In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this network, we have to determine its equivalent resistance. Now here we can see this is terminal A and this is terminal B. So let's take this circuit. Solution. So now first of all, what we can do, we can remove this open resistances. So from here we can see this 10 ohm is open. So we can remove this resistance. Here also we can see this 2 ohm is open circuited and this 1 ohm is also open circuited. So we can remove them. Also we can see one more thing here. This node and this node, they are at the same potential, we can say, or this is the same node. So what will happen? These two will be short circuited. So simply we have to find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So that's why what we can do, we can remove these two resistances too, because they are at the same potential, or this is the single node. So again, what we will do, we will remove these resistances. So let's remove them, or let's take one more step. For better understanding, we will solve this step by step. So let's take one more step. So now we can erase this 2 ohm resistance. We can erase this 1 ohm resistance. And we can erase this 10 ohm resistance. And also we can erase these two resistances. So let's erase them. Now next, here we can see this network become very easy to solve. Now here we can clearly see this 3 ohm and this 1 ohm, they are connected in series. So it will be simply, it will be like this, and it will become 4 ohm. Now this 4 ohm, 2 ohm and 4 ohm, they are connected in parallel. So here we can write 4 ohm parallel with 2 ohm parallel with 4 ohm. So their equivalent resistance will be 1 upon Req is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. So therefore 1 upon Req is equal to, if we solve this, it will be simply 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. So this will become 1. So it is simply 1. So here we can write Req is equal to also 1 ohm, because if we take the reciprocal of this 1, so it will be again 1 ohm. So again, let's copy this network from here. And then paste it. So we can replace this by simply 1 ohm resistance. So it will be like this. It will be of 1 ohm. Now we can say RAB is equal to this 2 ohm plus 1 ohm and plus 5 ohm. So therefore RAB is equal to simply 8 ohm. So this is the final answer for this question. And this is how we can solve these types of problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.